Hello and welcome back to Miss Finance. On this channel I go through all things accounting and finance related as well as investment related, and today we're going to take a look at something investment related. So in today's video we're going to go ahead and open up a Trading 212 account, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy that is to do, and I'm going to take you through the steps as a walkthrough. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and start typing in Trading 212 in Google. Okay, so I'm going to click on the Trading 212 link, and you can see here that with Trading 212 you can invest with as little as £1. Which makes the platform great for those of us who don't have a great lot of money to invest in the first place and are just getting started on our investment journeys. So if I scroll down this page here, what I can see is that we've got the option to open an account or practice for free, which again is good if you're brand new to investing, you don't really know the terminology and you just want to give it a bit of a go before you go ahead and invest any real money. But today I'm not going to focus on the practice for free, I'm actually going to go ahead and open an account. Now if you just scroll down here ever so slightly as well, you can see that Trading 212 actually have a trading and investment app that you can download from your phone so you can keep track of your investments every single day at any point during the day. So we're going to go ahead and download that soon. I'm going to show you how you can do that yourself, but just for the meantime, when we're opening this account, we're going to do that on the web browser. So if I scroll back up here and I go to open account, so I've got this quite zoomed in for you so that you can just see exactly where I'm going, because I know sometimes on these tutorials with other channels you can't actually see where they're clicking sometimes, so I just made that super big so that we can go ahead and see that. So if I go to open account here, it's going to go ahead and ask me my country of residence, and then you can see here it wants you to fill in some personal details, so first name, surname, phone number, your date of birth and your national insurance number. So after you filled that in, it's going to go ahead and ask you for your postcode, so I'm just going to pop that in there. You then need to select your address, but then we get to this screen here. So you can see here that there's 3 different types of accounts. So you've got a CFD account, an invest account and an ISA account. So the CFD account is for trading daily, so your stocks, for indices and more, zero commission and tight spreads. The Trading 212 Invest is for free investing in stocks and ETFs, zero commission, zero fees, and then we've got the Trading 212 ISA, which is where you can invest tax-free in a zero commission stocks and shares ISA. So if you're not aware of what an ISA is, there is actually an allowance of up to £20,000 a year that is completely tax-free that the government allow for you to invest into ISAs each year, but you can only have one ISA, so you can't have more than one ISA. Now if you don't know what a CFD is, it actually stands for Contract for Difference. So CFD trading in itself is just a method of trading in which an individual engages in a contract for a CFD broker rather than purchasing an underlying asset directly. So again, CFD is just short for Contract for Difference. Now, CFDs don't actually involve actual assets and they operate independent of the market, so that allows for greater flexibility than traditional trading. For example, you've got access to foreign markets, leverage trading, fractional shares and short selling. And Trading 212 is one of the best CFD trading platforms that there are out there. So you could select that option if that's your preference. Now once you've selected the account type that you wish, you're going to be presented with this screen here. So you need to select if you're trading in euros, dollars or pounds sterling, and then it's going to ask you what your income is and the value of any savings and investments that you have, as well as the source of your deposits, so whether that be salary, savings, pensions, return from investment, inheritance, property sale, private company sale or other. And then you need to fill in your occupation. Next we have terms and conditions, so it's definitely worth reading through those individually, and the privacy policy, conflicts of interest policy, terms of use, etc. And then once you're happy and you've read all of those, you can go ahead and click I confirm. You can then pop in your email and a password that you wish to use, and you'll see this screen loading Trading 212. And then once you've got to that step there, all you need to do is verify your identity and you are ready to go. So I hope you found this video useful. Do consider subscribing as always, and I shall see you on the next video.